Hey everyone, before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. This really helps me and the channel to grow and lets me bring you more cool electronic projects like this one. And about the project, today we are going to build a simple FM transmitter. The PCB is already prepared, and in this video I'll solder the components, assemble the circuit and test if it actually works. Here are all the components we need: resistors, the capacitors and the transistor, the coil, and of course the antenna connection. This is a basic but very interesting circuit that lets you to transmit audio on the FM band. This actually works with a 3 volts battery, and the transistor, if you can see, is 9080, and I also put the drawing at the end of the clip. Now let me to solder the components for you and check it. Okay, first of all, let me to put the flag. Okay, I soldered the components and cut the extra lead out of the board, and now it's ready for testing. Let me to bring a battery and test it for you. Okay guys, actually I assembled the circuit completely, and the frequency is tuned on 102.4 for me. Now I want to check it for you. If you listen carefully, it's work like this. I hope you build this circuit and use it. Please subscribe the channel and like the videos. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.